Welcome to my channel. This is Sanjaleeta. You notice the background's different. We are in my kitchen, so we are going to cook today. So get your cooking gloves on. Anyway, I'm just playing. If you guys have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any more of my videos. So today we are going to make keto cookies. They're still kind of warm. Oh my gosh. Well, let me tell you, I know I'm carnivore, but what happened was in my last video where I failed carnivore, I was having sweets from this video that I seen on YouTube. I mean, this guy is like a really good health guy to follow too. I mean, there's nothing wrong with him. It was me that went overboard, where he said you could have your coffee and have a sweet too. Well, I went from 1 sweet to 2 sweet to 3 sweet, and before you knew it, I had a whole dinner plate with my black coffee. I mean, I had donuts, candy, whatever. And I did that for 28 days straight. I didn't gain a pound, but the only problem is my sweet tooth came back, and I wanted more and wanted more, and I thought, finally, I had to break that cycle. It was bad. That sugar addiction just came back all over again. And I probably shouldn't have even had 1 sweet, even though he said it was okay. It's not okay. It's not okay, guys. I mean, if it happens once in a while, it's gonna happen. We're human. We're not machines. We're not robots, you know, trained to only eat meat or only eat keto. I mean, you're gonna go to places, you're gonna go to parties, events, whatever, you know, dinner. What are you gonna do? Just sit there and stare at people? You're gonna eat. So, you know, that one time is okay, but I did it for 28 days and now I'm suffering and now I'm craving sweets, and I tried to transition back into carnivore, which I did. So for 6 days since that 28 days, I've been carnivore, but I'm really struggling. I really am. Even though I tried to have, you know, I talked to, what's her name? Laura Spath. She said to eat more meat, eat more fat. You know, I even tried to do that, but my stomach just wants those sweets, you know? So I thought, man, you know, this is not good because it's kind of mentally messing me up now, and I'm just about to fail again. So instead of that, I remember these keto cookies that I used to make when I was keto, and I would have like 2 with my dinner, like a dessert every day. I mean, it was nothing, not like a weight gainer or anything. I mean, they're straight keto and you're good fats and stuff, but it has some carbs because, you know, the almond flour, of course. So I thought, well, you know what, let me just make a dessert, a keto dessert, and then, you know, have that, you know, whenever I feel I need that sweet tooth, I'll have it till I'm finally weaned off and back to normal, and I could transition back into carnivore. But yeah, this is really bad. Don't mess yourself up like that, guys, like I did. So, but I'm back, and I'm slowly transitioning back. At least I didn't fail and started grubbing. I mean, I have tons of Halloween candy in my house that I could show you that we're gonna pass out tomorrow, and I didn't touch it, and I wanted to have just one, and I said, nope, you're not having that. So that's why I made my keto cookies. This is gonna be my snack and help me transition back to carnivore. It's really not worth it, guys. So like I said, if you're gonna cheat, if it's gonna happen, don't plan it. If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen, but you get right back on it. All right, guys, so keep watching my video, pay attention. I got this recipe from Keto Connect a few years ago. So yeah, so I think she has a new recipe out now. It's more of a chewy chocolate chip cookie. That one I haven't tried, but I guess they use beef gelatin in that. So I don't have any beef gelatin, so we couldn't do that one. Maybe next time we'll do that video. So yeah, so for now it's just this original one I have, and we're gonna make this together. All right, let's go. Let's get cooking, guys. On the dry ingredients first. So we have almond flour. This is the one I have by Kirkland. I hope you guys can see everything. Oh yeah, I think you can because I have a mirror behind me. But you just can't see me, so, which is okay. You guys see enough. So we're gonna put 1 cup of almond flour. This is the dry mix we're doing. So that's that. And we're gonna use baking soda. So we're gonna use about, I have one, this is a 1 teaspoon. I don't know where my half went, but yeah. So we're gonna use about a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Not that much. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. with shoulder pain. Okay, and then we're gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and this is what's gonna give the cookie the texture. And we're going to put some pink salt. And this is the only salt I use for everything. So we're gonna put about a 1/4 teaspoon, I'd say. Okay. Just kind of mix that up. And we'll put it to the side. Soda's mixed in there. We'll just put this to the side and we'll work on the wet ingredients. So first, what we're gonna do in this bowl, we're gonna get 4 tablespoons of butter, and you wanna use real butter. So this is the Kerrygold butter, and I already cut it over here, or marked it. It's already started getting soft because it was outside. And we're gonna stick this, so the butter is melted, as you can see. It didn't melt all the way, but the bowl is pretty warm. It's gonna eventually melt fully. So next we're going in, I'm gonna use Swerve sweetener right here. And with this, we're gonna use 1/2 cup. Just add it right in. And vanilla extract. Gonna add about a 1/4 teaspoon or maybe a little bit more. We'll see. I haven't made this in a long time. I think we'll add one more. Okay, vanilla won't hurt. Okay, and next, this is called Better Stevia Original. It's another sweetener, so we're gonna use this as another form of sweetener. So I'll put about 10 drops of this. That was a little bit more than 10. Okay, my measurements are horrible, but it always comes out good. So we're just gonna kind of mix this around. And then now we are going to add the egg. I didn't want to put the egg in the hot butter and have the egg cook. So let's put the whole egg in there. You don't need to use a beater, just use your hand. That's it. You could use a fork or one of those whisk things. I don't think I have one of those. I don't know what happened to it. It just kind of disappeared. Okay, and then here's our dry ingredients. So we're gonna slowly start adding that in. See how it's kind of coming out to a cookie dough texture? Your regular cookie dough texture. And it tastes like regular cookies too to me. Like I said, I haven't made this in a long time because I went straight carnivore in January. So Yeah, so when I was keto, I was always making these for dessert. And so I'm kind of ketovore right now. Since I messed up and did 28 days of sugar, which I shouldn't have. So yeah, bad me. All right, let me grab the chocolate chips. And I used 1 ounce of Lily's chocolate chip. And I'm pretty sure you guys all know what Lily's chocolate chip is. Chocolate chips. This one right here, you can find this in any grocery store. I get this on Rayleigh's, and I think also I ordered it one time on Amazon. So it's 1 ounce chocolate chips. I already measured it. So we don't want to put too many chocolate chips in there because, boy, that was noisy. Because then it's not really going to be keto. Then we're going to make it too sweet. So we just want to fix our sweet tooth a little bit. And I never have more than 2. And I will have this with my dinner because I only eat 1 meal a day, sometimes 2. But yeah, I'll have, this will be my dessert. So I'm not gonna snack on this. I'm just gonna have it with after my dinner actually. It'll be my dessert. And that's what it looks like in the end. Just like regular old cookie dough. Smells so good, especially with all that vanilla in it. Okay, so I used my little cookie scooper to get out the cookie dough. And I forgot how many this makes. I want to say 20. Just like you're making regular cookies, so just keep it about that far of a distance from one another so they don't get stuck together. Okay, so I'm going to kind of flatten them out with my spatula here. Because I noticed when I put them in there round, they do not flatten out by itself. They just kind of stay round. Okay, and I forgot to mention I already had the oven heating at 350 this whole time, so we're just gonna put them in the oven. I kind of check it, so I'll probably put it in there for 10 minutes and check on it. I put it on the top shelf because I don't want to put it on the bottom. It might get cooked faster on the bottom. So yeah, so let's let it cook and I'll be right back. Okay, so the keto cookies are done. Chocolate chip keto cookies. How do they look? They smell awesome. They smell so good. I think I'm gonna have one while you guys are watching. So, see how chewy they are and soft? Look at the texture. Yum. I got this recipe a while back from Keto Connect, but I think they made a new recipe with beef gelatin, but I haven't tried that one yet. So here's to them. Man, they just melt in your mouth. You guys have to try these. I'm gonna save this half for later. Yum. Oh goodness, this is so good. I think because I haven't made it in a long time. And I've been really craving something sweet because I messed up for 28 days. Remember my other video that I posted 6 days ago? I've been struggling for 6 days. I've been wanting sweets so bad. So I think I have to transition to keto and slowly come back to carnivore again so I'm not suffering. So keto and carnivore, they're both good. I just wanted to go 0 carb, which is why I went to carnivore. So we're kind of keto-core right now. So yeah, so these cookies are gonna help me transition back to carnivore, so it's not so much of a mental struggle. And my stomach was growling. I mean, on Sunday in church, my stomach was growling so loud that my family heard it next to me. And I'm just worried the people behind me probably heard it too. But anyways, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. And those of you who have subscribed in the past day, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. You guys are awesome. You know, it's gonna help me support my channel and help me make more videos like this. This is the first time I've made the cooking video. I know I've posted Keto Connect's video on this, but I haven't made my own. So yeah, so this is like kind of new for me and I enjoyed it. Just please excuse, you know, the background mess. No one knows how to keep anything in place in my kitchen. I could clean it up, make it all nice and immaculate. They come home from work, throw this here, throw this there. I mean, I could find like a jacket on my counter. It's that crazy, but it is what it is. But my kitchen's clean. So anyways, you guys have a very blessed day and subscribe because I'm gonna be posting. I hope I have time tomorrow. My goal is to do my Cleopatra makeup and hair look. So you guys make sure you hit the notification bell so you do not miss my videos. All right, take care. Bye.